In an AP, the first question you see, in the first question, A is the first term actually. A is given as 5 and D is given as 3 and AN is equal to 50, and we have to find out the number of terms and the sum of n number of terms, Sn. First we have to calculate n, and we know the formula for An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for nth term. A is the first term, D is the common difference, n is the number of terms. Now if you put all these values for An, then An is equal to 50. We will write 50 is equal to A is 5 plus n minus 1 into D is 3. This implies that 50 minus 5 is equal to 3 into n minus 1, or n minus 1 is equal to 50 minus 5 is 45, 3 is here multiplied, then in the other side it will be divided. It will be equal to 15. So n will be equal to 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. 16 is the number of terms, value of n. Now we have to calculate Sn, and the formula for Sn is n by 2 into, or we can write this here, that is n by 2 into first term plus last term. That also we can use. First term plus last term. We can use here. Also you can write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That also you can write. N by 2, n is 16 by 2. First term here it is given as a5 plus last term is an, which is equal to 50 given. So we will be equal to 8 into 55. So this will be equal to 440. This is the answer for the first number. For the second one, if you will see, A is given as 7, A13 is equal to 35. This implies n is equal to here 13, and we have to find out D, and the formula what you have to use is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This implies that A13 is 35. You write 35 here in place of An. A is 7 plus n minus 1. N is 13 minus 1 into D. And we will get the value of D here. That is 35 minus 7 is 28 is equal to 12D. Or D will be equal to 28 divided by 12. If you will simplify it, it will be equal to 7 divided by 4 in the numerator and divide 4 to the denominator. So that D will get as 7 by 3. Now we have to find out Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2. N is given as, n is already given, that is 13 n by 2 into first term plus last term 7 plus 35. We will get this as 13 by 2 into 42, which is equal to here, you will divide by 2, it will be equal to 21. So 13 into 21, 13, 3, 26 plus 1, 27, 273. This is the answer for the second bit.